Hardwin wardrobe accessories. Swinger mirror. Elegant design with a swinging motion especially for the elite class. Storage glass baskets for apparels, garments and accessories. Hanger drop down for tall size wardrobe with soft close mechanism. Decoration shelf with multi-compartments for jewelry and fashionable accessories. Multi-purpose pull-out rack. LED hanger rod. Multifunctional tie rack. Shoe rack. Hardwin wardrobe sliding fittings. Inline wardrobe sliding fitting. Hardwin locks and handles. Door closers. Floor springs. Architectural glass and shower cubicle fittings. Hardwin bathroom accessories.
Hardwin, adding life to your space since 1965.